So Bitcoin, where's it going to go? What's going to happen? We got the Bitcoin halving coming soon on the 16th of April. I just want to go back a little bit in time. Remember, the xBrat trading indicators are all about behavior. I want to go back to this recent move up from January 2024. We'll talk about the technical indicators and the behavior that led to that and what the potentials are moving forward. So to begin with, back in January 2024, we had this initial wave 4 pullback in our Elliott Wave indicator suite into this probability pullback zone. We can see the lows there formed in the amber zone. So that gives us an 80% probability it's going to go and hit this blue zone, the 5th wave target zone. And then about a week later, we had the 5 and then a 6-star buy xBratAlgo signal. So in my book, Confluence, Not Coincidence, I talk about confluences of different external factors. And one of those external factors for this move was that addition of the Bitcoin ETF from BlackRock. We had those technical indicators from 2 different strategies. The xBratAlgo 6-star buy is a combination of 12 different indicators all saying buy. Okay, then we have the Elliott Wave saying buy. So there was a really good strong option when we had that confluence of the BlackRock ETF. We had the technical indicators saying go long, so a lot of people went long. We can see how it actually, we went flat for a while in this 5th wave target zone. That's not unusual. And then we've had this recent push all the way up to make those new all-time highs. What I've done on there as well is put this very narrow channel that we're in right now, because there's 2 things that could happen here. Trading's all about and or. Right now, we've formed a new wave 3. This wave 3 pivot down here where my cursor is now been relabeled purely because this next move up is longer than that original wave 3, and Elliott Wave rules tell us that the 3rd wave is the longest impulse wave. So now we've got some options. If this pullback is short term, which I don't think it will be, it will probably pull back and find support in and around this $52,000 mark here, and wait for that halving, and then we'll have a new push up. We can't print, the software doesn't print a 5th wave target until we get into this the wave 4 pullback zone right now. So that's one thing that could happen. We could come down, test this $52,000, this previous resistance zone will act now as support. It will be in our pullback zones. We'll look for that halving as the catalyst, that confluence, if you like, to push us forward and make some more new highs. Where that will be, we don't know yet. Obviously, Bitcoin will, in theory, will just keep going, but those initial targets that we always have with this software, that 5th wave target, you see how it actually stayed there for about a week. So what we're looking for is this pullback. That would be my preferred option. Now, if Bitcoin continues to go as it does, and we find support of this confluence of linear support, this previous resistance zone, and the support of the lower bound of this non-linear support, which is the trend channel, we could see it move further, make new highs into this channel, then pull down towards halving. So there's a couple of things that can happen now. So at this moment in time, it's not about looking for the long right now or adding to your Bitcoin position. See how it holds this. If it holds this support around about 65,700, this is really critical, and then comes back through sort of 69,252, that sort of thing. That's when we could say that actually this is probably going to go and test the upper bound of this channel again and make a new wave 3 high, and then the pullback into halving. The next option we just discussed, the pullback into here for halving, find support, and then we go again. So, that's my take on Bitcoin right now. I don't make too many cryptocurrency videos, but our software works extremely well, especially for Bitcoin. I just want to touch base on Coinbase. So I called the long on Coinbase. Again, I had that confluence of Bitcoin moving up on the 5 and the 6-star and the Elliott Wave. We had the BlackRock ETF. I had a 6-star buy on coin. Was coming up to earnings. There was a lot of confluences there to say this is going long. Even our bias depth heat map on the swing trading setting down in the bottom there was all green. So I called this around about 162 with that initial target of the fifth wave target for coin, the stock, around about 210. Hit that, smashed through it, caused a new wave 3 high. Now we've just started to pull back into that pullback zone there. It's just labeled it a wave 4. If Bitcoin continues to go down, coin will be a little bit sympathetic and probably come down and test this 210 level. You know, that's where we'd look for that to hold. It's printed started to print the fifth wave target level there on coin around about 286. So that'll be interesting. We'll see how deep this Bitcoin pullback goes. So you've got to watch it. You don't have to watch it every minute of the day. If you're a Bitcoin or crypto investor, having this software allow you to just to check it once a day, see where we are, and make those decisions. I'm going to put the links down below for the Elliott Wave, for TradingView and lots of other platforms, and the xBratAlgo, because combined we get a great confluence trading strategy for trading cryptocurrency and cryptocurrency allied stocks and ETFs. Hopefully that helps. Check out the links below. Speak to you really soon.